Hello everyone, in this video lesson I am going to present the summary and important question answer of the story The Gardener. Let's begin. The Gardener, Rudyard Kipling story. Characters: Helen Turrell, Michael's mother. Michael Turrell, Helen's son but called nephew. George Turrell, Helen's brother, an Indian police inspector. Mrs. Scaresworth, her lover killed in battle. The gardener, maybe Michael's father. Place: India, south of France, England. Hazengill Third Military Cemetery, a graveyard where Michael was buried. Summary: The Gardener is a story composed by Rudyard Kipling, a well-known name in English literature. द गार्डेनर भन्ने कथा अङ्ग्रेजी साहित्यमा चित परिचित नाम रड्यार्ड किपलिङद्वारा रचना गरिएको हो। जर्ज टुरेल वाज एन इन्स्पेक्टर इन इन्डियन पुलिस। जर्ज टुरेल इन्डियन पुलिसका इन्स्पेक्टर हुन्छन्। ही ह्याड अ सिस्टर नेम्ड हेलेन, र उनको हेलेन नाम गरेको एउटी बहिनी थिइन्। She had had love affair with someone and she became pregnant. उनी कसैको प्रेममा परेर गर्भवती हुन्छन्। It was a shameful thing to live in the society. र समाजमा बस्नु यो एकदमै लाजमर्दो विषय हुन्थ्यो। So she pretended to cure her lungs and went to the south of France. त्यसपछि उनले आफ्नो फोक्सोको उपचार गर्ने बहाना पारेर फ्रान्स जान्छन्। There she had a child who was named Michael. त्यहाँ उनले एउटा बच्चालाई जन्म दिन्छन् जसको नाम माइकल राख्छन्। She lived in France for some time. केही समय उनी फ्रान्समै बस्छिन्। Then she came back to England and said that Michael was the son of her brother George who had died of a horse fall. त्यसपछि उनी त्यहाँबाट इङ्ल्यान्ड फर्किन्छन् र त्यहाँ पुगेपछि माइकल आफ्नो दाइ जर्ज टुरेलको छोरा हो जो घोडाबाट लडेर मृत्यु भयो भनेर भन्छन्। She also said that a nurse had cared the child for some time. र केही समय नर्सले त्यो बच्चालाई हेरचाह गरेको कुरा सुनाउँछिन्। But the nurse didn't look after the child well. तर ती नर्सले त्यो बच्चालाई धेरै राम्रोसँग ध्यान नदिएको भनेर भन्छन्। So she dismissed the nurse. त्यसै कारणले गर्दा नर्सलाई निकालेको भन्छन्। And she added that she had paid some money to the child's mother. र उनले थप्छिन् कि त्यो बच्चाको आमालाई पनि केही पैसा दिएको कुरा सुनाउँछिन्। So that she wouldn't claim right over the child. त्यसकारणले ती महिलाले आफ्नो बच्चा माथिको अधिकार नजताएको भन्छन्। Now Helen and Michael lived together. Michael called aunt in daytime and mummy at night time. र अहिले हेलेन र माइकल सँगै बस्छन्। माइकलले दिउँसो आन्टी भन्छ र रातिको समयमा मात्रै मम्मी भन्छ हेलेनलाई। This relation was kept in secret. यो सम्बन्ध गोप्य राखिएको हुन्छ। When Michael completed his school education, he joined the army instead of going to the Oxford University. स्कुलको शिक्षा सकाइसकेपछि माइकल युनिभर्सिटीमा जानुपर्ने ठाउँमा ऊ आर्मीमा भर्ती हुन्छ। When he was in England, he didn't have to work hard. इङ्ल्यान्डमै रहन्जेलसम्म माइकललाई धेरै कडा काम गर्नु पर्थेन। But he was sent to France in war. तर उसलाई लडाइँमा फ्रान्स पठाइन्छ। There he was missed in a bomb blast. र त्यहाँ एउटा बम ब्लास्टको घटनामा ऊ हराउँछ। Then Helen was informed that Michael was missing. त्यसपछि हेलेनलाई माइकल हराएको सूचना दिइन्छ. After the war, Helen was sent a letter describing that Michael was killed and he was buried in Hagengill 3rd Military Cemetery. र लडाइँ सकिएपछि उनलाई एउटा चिठी पठाइन्छ माइकल युद्धमा मारिएको र ह्याजेन्जिल 3rd मिलिट्री सेमेट्रीमा उसलाई गाडिएको कुरा लेखिएको हुन्छ. His grave number was also written in the letter. र त्यो चिठीमा माइकलको चिहानको नम्बर पनि लेखिएको हुन्छ. So Helen decided to go to Hagengill 3rd and see Michael's grave. त्यसपछि हेलेनले त्यो चिहानमा गएर माइकलको ग्रेभमा जाने निदो गर्छिन्. On the way up cemetery, she met a woman whose lover was killed in the battle, but she told that she came to meet her relative's grave. र त्यो चिहान तर्फ जाने क्रममा हेलेनले एकजना महिलालाई भेट्छिन् जसको प्रेमी युद्धमा मारिएको हुन्छ तर सबैलाई आफ्नो आफन्तको चिहान भेट्न जाने भनेर भन्छिन्. When she went there, she couldn't find Michael's grave herself because there were thousands of graves. जब हेलेन त्यहाँ पुग्छिन् त्यहाँ हजारौं चिहान भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि माइकलको चिहान उनले आफै भेटाउन सक्दिनन्. Then she asked a gardener to find out her nephew's grave, but the gardener said that he would show where her son laid or buried. त्यसपछि उनले एउटा मालीसँग सहयोग माग्छिन् आफ्नो भतिजोको चिहान भेटाइदिनको लागि तर त्यो मालीले म तिम्रो छोराको चिहान भेटाइदिन्छु भनेर भन्छ. Then Helen looked at the gardener for the last time and came back home. अन्तमा घर फर्किने बेलामा उनले त्यो मालीलाई एकचोटि फर्केर हेर्छिन्. Long questions. Helen Turrell is ashamed that Michael is her son. Do you agree with this statement? Yes, I agree with this statement that Helen Turrell is ashamed that Michael is her son. The time of the Helen Indian society was so traditional. It was shameful task to pregnant without getting married. So she pretended to cure lungs. She went France and delivered a child, Michael. She went in England. She told lie to everyone that the child Michael was her silly brother George's son. He was killed before Michael's birth. Michael's mother wouldn't claim on the child because she was paid by her. So she kept quiet. All these details were public property. Helen told everyone their details, so Michael was very sad to this subject, but Helen permitted him to say mommy at bedtime because unmarried mother were treated badly. When Gardiner told her that he would show her son's grave, although she couldn't tell son's grave, even after death of Michael, she hid the truth. All these evidences that show Michael was Helen's own son. She is afraid to be criticized and ashamed in the society, so she lied to everyone. Sketch the character of the Helen. Helen Turrell was from Hampshire, London. She was 35 years old, beyond marriage. She had a brother, George Turrell. He was an Indian police inspector. He was engaged with a girl and before marriage, he died. And after his death, the girl gave birth a child, Michael. Helen paid her and brings up him herself. She is telling lie to everyone. She is a liar. She lies to her son Michael too. Helen's character is a little mysterious. She has unmarried yet at the age of 35. Why didn't she marry yet? having lungs problem, she lives so long time and healthy too. Being mysterious, she is a hardworking woman. She spends money in Michael's education. She has confidence to do her work smoothly. She is educated and courageous woman too. She gets afraid with traditional belief, so loving much her child, she hides mother love. She was much sensitive and sincere in her relations to the child, which can be proved by her visit to his cemetery. Short questions. What was the effect of Michael's death on Helen? When Michael had to go to war, Helen was already shocked. When she knew that Michael was killed, all her hopes were shattered. His death had completely isolated her. Her single son was killed, so she was much upset physically and mentally. The effect of Michael's death on Helen was very miserable. What is the real relation between Helen and Michael? Mother and son is the real relation between Helen and Michael. Helen told everyone that Michael was George's son because she would afraid of society. So she went to south of France to give birth, and then she went to England to bring up the child Michael. The relation kept secret by Michael and Helen, but the gardener knew the real relation between them, that Helen was Michael's mother. Who is Mrs. Scaresworth? Why is she attached to Helen? Actually, Mrs. Scaresworth is a liar. She lies to everyone to hide the truth, but she tried to lie, so she tries to find to share her secret. So she introduces with Helen. She tells her that she is a missionary worker and she is going to visit the Kings, though she is a regular visitor of the grave to mourn her pains by her boyfriend's grave, which is situated in Hazenville, named as a third military cemetery. How do we know who the gardener really is? The gardener is really Helen's lover and Michael's father because when he saw her in the graveyard, he recognized immediately. He had lots of compassion in his eyes for her. Besides, he said sons rather than nephew while leading her to the Michael's grave. And he didn't salute her because we didn't salute lower level relatives like wife, son, and small sister. Thank you for joining with me in this video lesson and subscribe my channel to get my upcoming video lessons continuously and keep suggesting us. See you soon.